Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Shivam this side, and in this video I'm going to be showcasing you exactly how you can use this tool to automate all of your LinkedIn outreach for your agency and land clients using LinkedIn with just this one simple tool. It will do everything for you from connection requests to follow-ups. All you need to do is click the like button and wait for it. So you'll find the link to this exact software down below. So all you need to do is click on that and you'll be taken to this page, which will give you a 14-day free trial. So all you need to do is you need to click on start for free. Once we click over here, it will open up our start for free plan trial. So I'll just put in my name. Let's do Shivam Gupta. I'll do my email address, which I want on to be my account. Now I'm going to do a different one because I'm already a user of this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a password. Let's see. There we go. And I'm going to register as I'm going to agree to the terms and policies, and I'm going to register over here. You can see the LinkedIn outreach tool for agencies and teams. I can't sell this enough, and the best part about it is they take guarantee that your account will not get banned. So that is the number one thing that a lot of people face with the thing. So let's see, select which conversations to load into LinkedIn. I'll say only future conversations from now on. I'll put in my LinkedIn details and get back. So there we go. All I had to do is put in my login details, get the security code in, and here's where I reach. So I'll just put this as Shivam Gupta's organization. How many accounts will you connect? Right now, one. Who am I? I'm an agency owner. No, this is my first time, and all I do is submit and it'll take me in. Now my free trial has started. I don't need any team members, so I'll just skip this step. But as you can see, welcome to HeyReach, and I'll just click on add free new prospects. Now you guys can see here we have everything over here. You can see welcome to HeyReach. I'm going to give you the tour, so we don't need this. But basically what we're going to do is I'm going to create a campaign in front of you, showcase exactly how you can use this to actually do outreach. So let's go to LinkedIn first. All you need to do is go on LinkedIn and search for your target demographic. Now, who are you actually targeting? Number one, in terms of your outreach. So say for example basis, let's say we are targeting real estate broker. All right, let's take the example of a real estate broker, or it'll all show up over here. Now what kind of people do you want in your filters? That is what you're gonna have to select. So let's go on filters, and under filters I want them to be United States based, and I want second and third degree connections, because this will make it easier for them and me to connect, because obviously I'm not in the profile. Now one thing that you need to make sure is that your profile is obviously optimized to the niche that you're reaching out to. You don't have to do something that you're reaching out to real estate owners, but you're actually your whole profile is based on agency owners. So make sure that you have content based on your LinkedIn in terms of the outreach that you're going to be doing, so that it increases your chances of people saying yes to your offer and people saying yes to your connection request. So now you can see we've got about 306,000 results with everybody who's a real estate broker in USA and is a second or third degree connection. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and take it back into your HeyReach. Over here I'm going to extract from URL and enter search URL over here, and you can see it should give me the option to start importing. You can see it's already loading. So what it's going to do is now it's going to pick up the data from LinkedIn and put it on over here. So now you've got 300,000 people actually coming on to your HeyReach account that you're going to be sending connection requests to, messages to, which I'm going to show you the exact framework how it works. Now after the 14-day free trial, the tool is $75 a month. But trust me, in the first 14 days of the free trial only, I landed my first meeting, which was totally worth it, because again, I was also just testing out the platform. So this is what I always tell people, that if you want to grow your account, if you want to grow your agency, you need to make sure that you're investing some sort of capital into your agency. That is why this is not for somebody who is just starting out, who is looking for their first client. If you have the budget, 100% go for it, highly recommended. But if you don't have the budget, stick to cold DM, stick to Twitter DM, land your first client from there, and then move on to cold email and LinkedIn outreach, because these are all automated ways of reaching out. Does not require manual labor, and that's why they cost you like $75 a month or however it may be. So let me just pause this, let the list get done, and I'm going to catch you once the list is over. So now you can see I just had to list the name of my list and the account that I'm going to be using to do outreach, and now it's going to start importing from the LinkedIn search bar. So you can see it's already started to get all these people in who are real estate brokers, again my exact demographic that I am targeting. And let me just stop importing for now, so because I just need to give you the example. But you can see we've got some kind of people already in this list. You can see all of these are real estate brokers. We can find their email, we can do so much, but we don't want to find the email because we're going to be actually making a campaign. And how do you make that campaign? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So we're going to go back to our dashboard. You can see basically how many connection requests you sent, how many got accepted, how many messages were sent, how many messages you got replied to, and how many email replies did you get. So what we're going to do is go into campaigns and start a new campaign. In a new campaign, I'm going to say SMMA incubator, because that is SMMA incubator campaign, because I'm going to obviously showcase you how it works. Now we'll select our list as the one that we named, which is LinkedIn Real Estate Brokers. You can see it downloaded 100 prospects in 2 minutes because I had paused the stopped it. There's no exclude list, so I'll just do none. Now these are some really interesting options that you really need to make sure that you tick. So I always exclude prospects with no profile picture, because obviously that means that they don't have a strong LinkedIn profile, and I don't want to be reaching out to people who don't even have time to put on a profile picture. So I'm 100% gonna exclude that. Now you can exclude first connections as well if you want to, or you can also, I'm gonna exclude all already messaged prospects, because I don't want to message them again in case I've already had a chat with them. It just makes it really awkward. So I'm gonna just tick these two. You can tick whatever you feel is more applicable to you. I'm gonna click on continue. Under account settings, I'm gonna click on this, which shows you can send up to 40 connections a day. That means I'm sending up to 40 DMs a day on automation just by setting this up in front of you right in this 15 minutes. It's all gonna be set up and I don't even have to do anything. So I'm gonna click on continue, and now this is where the fun begins. So now the campaign will start. Now you have to add an action. Now what the first action I want it to be is a view profile. That basically means that the first action that my LinkedIn account will do is go onto the prospect's profile and actually view it once. Now after the 1 day is over of them viewing it, what we're going to do is we're going to follow them, and we want 0 days with no delay. Once we follow them, we are going to like their post. So what happens now is we view their profile, 1 day later we come and follow them, and we also like their post. So now it'll show on their profile, Shivam Gupta liked your post, Shivam Gupta followed you, Shivam Gupta viewed your profile. Now these are 3 ways that they'll be able to see our name just before we even reach out to them or even connect with them. So these are 3 things that I'm going to be doing. Now once that is done, I'm going to send them a connection request. Now once you send them a request, again, like you can see, non-premium accounts can only send 5 to 10 personalized invites each month. If any of your sending accounts can't send a personalized note, the connection request will be sent without a note. So again, if you have a premium account on LinkedIn, you can send a message with every connection request. If you don't have that, it'll just send the request. So here you can see we've had all these options that we can tick. So let's build a message. Say for example, I'd say, hey, first name, would love to connect with you over here. As simple as that. I can even add a message personalized variation that I want to test out. So if I click on add message variation, I can do, hey, first name, looking forward to connect. So it's not sending out the same message again and again. And that's it. Fallback message, I don't have any. Now withdraw this connection request basically means that if the connection request is not accepted within a particular amount of time, what is going to happen is it's going to go back and actually take out the connection request, basically unfollow them, unmatch them basically in every sense of things, so that your profile stays in good standing. You don't have a lot of pending requests that have not been accepted. So over here you can put it at 25 days and save. So now what's going to happen is it's going to send a connection request. Now if it's accepted, what do you want to happen? If it's not accepted, what do you want to happen? So if it's still not accepted, I'm going to like another post, and then I'm going to send this up an email by saying, you know, hey, first name, I think we can bring each other value, and etc, like why do you want to connect with them, and add this as a step. And over here, if they do reply back to you, if do accept your request, then you can send them a message saying whatever your offer is. Again, you don't want to be offering them a meeting, but what you can offer them is a free asset. So you can just do, hey, first name, thank you so much for accepting my request. My name is Shivam, and rest of your introduction, and then offer them free value call to action. So it can be a Loom audit, a content calendar, strategy, ebook, free posts, whatever it may be, something of free value, so that they reply back to you. And basically once they reply, it will end it. If they still haven't replied, then you can even add another message, which is a follow-up message to your first one. So you can see we can build out this whole automation in a sense of the tree being like, you start with nothing, you start with no connections, and you're sending out 40 connection requests a day, and you're also having a conversation with them without you actually having to do anything. So this way, for $70 a month, I'm just sitting back, relaxing, and having to reach out up to 40 into 30, which is what, like 4, 8, 1200 people a month without lifting my finger once I set this whole thing up. So I 100% recommend you to come over here, try this out for 14 days, set up your own campaign, see what's working for you, what's not working for you. Dependent on that, I would say LinkedIn is one of the best methods to do outreach, because there are serious people on it. These are all business to business people. And if you have a strong profile built out, so for example, if I show you my profile is more built towards, people who are in the SMMA space, who are agency owners. So you can see social media marketing expert, 2 successful SMMA ventures, guiding you through the running of SMMA, taking you on a journey from learning to earning. You can see a professional profile picture, you can see a professional, backdrop. You can see I also have featured posts where I have also podcast feature. I also have some kind of post wherein I tell them how you can land their first client, what are the tools that they can use. You can see I have a strong presence to get clients. The only thing you want is the right mindset. So you can see all of these are geared towards agency owners and newbies, freelancers who are starting out their journey. But you need to make sure that the people that you are reaching out to matches the kind of content that you have on your page. If you mix these two together, I'm 110% sure you can start landing clients through LinkedIn immediately. So yeah, I hope you like this. If you did, do let me know down below, and I'll see you on HeyReach. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'm always happy to answer. And I really hope you enjoy this tool as much as I have been enjoying it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.